Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial by Shayna's Home DIY and Crafts. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create your own Easter basket with Easter bunny basket from the Dollar Tree. If you want to see how I do so, keep watching. So here I am in Cricut Design Space, and I did type up these kids' name, and this is what it looks like once I type them up. So now I'm just going to click make it, and we're going to send that over to the make it page. And here you're going to just see a bunch of different things because I have a bunch of stuff in Design Space. I'm going to scroll down and look for what I want to cut. I'm going to mirror the image like you see I just did just now. Then I'm cutting two different color on one mat. So I set my vinyl out on the mat this type of way that I'm setting it out here in Design Space. So if you notice, I have like Aishan up top and Ishana down the bottom, because that's how my vinyls at different colors are on the mat. Make sure you don't forget to mirror your image, okay? This is HTV vinyl. You have to mirror your image. So then I'm going to go to heat transfer, non-Cricut vinyl. I'm going to click more pressure. It's up to you. My blade is getting old, so I have to do that. So you see what I was saying, how I have two different vinyls. So I measure the measurement. I don't throw away anything. So these are scrap vinyl. So it's going to work on the mat. And if you've been crafting for a while, you know, scrap piece does work for small items. It's up to you if you want to throw them away. To me, it's a waste. So I save small pieces that can make cuts. So here I am. We're going to cut out the first name, which is going to be green on the green HTV vinyl. Once that's done cut, the Cricut machine is going to sense that it needs to go down 5 more inches down to do the other. So I'm just showing you, has it cut? It's showing you how much percent is cut, which was 31 I just showed you guys. So that's it. So now you see we're down onto the pink. So it's already done cutting the green. So instead of because you're cutting two different colors, instead of like cutting, take it out, put it back in, you could just line them up on your mat and in Design Space the way how you want it. So we're 91% there. So, and that's just it. So you could do that versus cut and take out the mat and cut again. You just spread them out how you want to. And again, your piece of paper may not look like mine. Your piece of vinyl may not look like mine. Again, like I said, I save every pieces of vinyl that looks like I can cut something else off of it. Because, hey, every little in Jamaica, we say make a muckle, okay? So there it is, a whole name right there. And don't worry, I still will save pieces off of this to put on baby onesie. Don't worry. So here we are. Over here we have these little bunny cloth basket that's from the Dollar Tree. They're $1.25. I'm going to be using my mini Cricut press for this project, and I'm going to flip my mat over, take off my vinyl. Then I'm also going to downsize it a little bit more because, like I say, I save everything, okay? Everything. Once I can make something out of it, I'll save. That's why this is how I can give away stuff for free, because, you know, something that you would throw away, I would save that and I could do stuff for free. So I'm going to go ahead with my scissors and I'm just going to cut because again, I could still save this piece that I'm throwing away. Call me cheap, okay? If you're like, call me cheap if you wanna, it works. I could still get another name out of that for a baby basket or something, a baby onesie. So those bigger pieces that I cut off, I'm gonna save. The smaller piece, we're gonna throw it away. So right here, we're gonna save this piece again. That's a whole onesie right there you're looking at. That little piece right there I'm cutting off, that's going in the garbage. We don't need to save that. Okay, and this little piece here, we're gonna save that as well because it's big enough. Like I said, once it's big enough to make something else, Shayna will save it. I have a bin that I keep scrap for HTV and a bin that I keep scrap for regular transfer vinyl. So the rest go to the garbage. Okay. So here I'm going to share a little trick with you guys. HTV vinyl can be hard to weed because it's cold. So if you want to make this easier for yourself, you just take your press or your little iron or whatever you're using, warm up the area, which is your Teflon sheet or where you're going to press on. And then once you warm that area up, you'll take the vinyl, flip it to the back where you have the carrier sheet, and you just rub it up against it and it start like loosen up a little bit, so make it easier to weed out. Look at that. And now it's weeding like butter, all because of the heat from the back. So you want to make sure you're not doing it like too hot where it's going to burn the vinyl, because it can burn the vinyl. So just warm enough to kind of like loosen up a little to make it easier to weed. Or you'll be there forever with your weeding pen or your what do you call it, weeding tool, trying to weed this out because it's a little hard to weed cold. So we're going to do that again, warm up our area. We're going to put our vinyl down on the back end. We don't want to put the front because remember, heat is what let the adhesive stick to something. So if you flip that over, then we may have problems. So the carrier sheet, and we're going to weed around. Look at that. Again, We'd like butter. So now I know you guys probably wondering, how am I going to get that label or that name tag or that transfer on the basket when it's round? There's two options. You could do it just like I'm doing here, where you press it down a little bit, or keep watching and you'll see what else I'm going to show you. So we're going to press that down a little bit, or you could put inside, make sure you use like a washcloth or something to hold it, and then you press along with your mini press. Don't just put your hands on the inside of this because you may burn yourself. Please do not put just your hand behind there and said Shayna said do it. So if you're going to do that, put a washcloth. Keep watching, you're going to see what I'm going to do. So once I'm done pressing that, I'm going to go ahead and pull off the carrier sheet. And this is a warm peel or hot peel. So you also want to make sure your vinyl is a hot peel or a cold peel. If it's a cold peel, you got to leave it to cool down and peel it after. But it's a warm peel, so you peel it right away. And look how cute that looks. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to repeat ourselves for the next one. And these two kids are brothers and sisters. If you notice, the name are similar. So yeah, so I was gonna put blue, but I felt like the green had popped more, so I put the green. But also, I mean, they could get whatever color they want. If the mom says she want orange, it's orange, it is, baby. But she didn't tell me what she wants, so she just said I want these two baskets, one for my daughter, one for my son. So I decided to do them like this because I felt like the green popped more, and a lot of people just put the blue, and I felt like, oh, let me try the green and see what it looks like. So there you have it. So this one, I'm not going to put it down flat like I showed you guys with the other one. I'm just going to put a washcloth in. We're just going to rub our iron across. And I know someone's going to ask me, how do you know how long and whatever? But I've been using these vinyl for a long time. I just know how they work. But if you decide to go buy your vinyl, read your instruction. There's usually a piece of paper that comes in that will tell you how much pressure and how long, if it's hot peel or cool peel. But I've been using these vinyl for 5 years. These HTV vinyl, and I love them. Like, I tried a lot of vinyls until I came across this one that I like a lot. The quality is awesome. It lasts for a very long time. So I've been using this for 5 years now. So yeah, so you see, don't throw away your scraps, guys, because something like this, I could easily sell. I sell these baskets for $10. Some people sell them for 12. No, I don't have to kill myself to sell it for 12 because I'm using the scrap vinyl. So it works out. So don't throw them away. Don't throw your scrap vinyl away. And there it is. Just like that right there, I have a piece that lift up. So obviously that piece didn't get any heat because of course I'm using the mini press. So you got to target areas where it needs to be targeted. So there you are. I went over again, and just to make sure, press that over again, and there we are. We'll pick that off, and there it is. Life is good. Voila, there you go. We have 2 Easter baskets, and these are $10 each. If you're interested in purchasing any of these from me, they're in my TikTok shop, so you could go ahead and check them out. Link to my TikTok will be in the description box below, so you could go ahead and check that out. Also, check out my Facebook page and my Instagram and follow me over there. If you make it this far throughout the video, you're the real deal. It's obvious that you like what you see here. So before you leave, do me a favor and give this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you would like, I'd appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. Therefore, you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you're new here, my name is Shayna. On this channel, I do a lot of home DIY projects and different type of crafting. If you're not new, welcome back. And we're getting closer, guys, to spring, so we're gonna hit those outdoors. You see, the snow is melting on the outside, so stay tuned. Outdoor projects are coming soon for my own followers that likes the outdoor projects. All right, so yeah, with all that being said, though I talk a lot, you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. Until next time, be blessed and bye for now.